as God. There will be no one who believes God, and there will be no one who even talks about God, in fact. Even the devotees will be converted into demons. This is what has been predicted, and that's what is happening now. So we can prove that the Bhagavatam is a perfect scripture and is saying the truth about whatever is happening. So, even at the residences of so-called saints and respectable gentlemen of three higher castes, the power of the government will be transferred to the hands of ministers elected from the low-born Shudra class. Siddaramaiah. You see, he is from the low-born Shudra class, and we can see it is not some caste differentiation, it is the normal attitude of those kinds of people. They scale heights, and then Ambedkar, he said the Bhagavad Gita is nonsense. And then his followers are creating friction on the Bhagavad Gita. And then also this one, Siddaramaiah, who is another thief. So he again was a plunderer. So Siddaramaiah, who was another plunderer. So we are having so many different kinds of dangerous people coming again and again in our society, and slowly it's going to a place where there will be no temples. And now in Chennai, the House of Temples, which has the most temples more than any other city, even Madurai and other cities, even Karnataka, other places, they are creating metro cities at the spots where these temples are. Why? Because they want to destroy the temples. And they are misguiding the youth to believe that there is no God. So here, the Bhagavatam is giving the correct predictions of what is happening, even though it was before what is happening. Or those even less than them. And there will be nothing known of the techniques of sacrifice, even by word of mouth. Now we told about the Shudras. Shudras are becoming even more polluted and are giving bad notions about the Vedas to everybody else. Now we said about Shudras. Brahmanas, are they a little less than what is happening in Kali Yuga? No. The Shudras or Brahmanas, we may have heard, they used to torture the Shudras, and that's why the Shudras came, like, upright. And then the Brahmanas were another kind of pain to the countries. And they did not do a single sacrifice, not a single mantra. All the mantras will disappear from the mouths of Brahmanas, as is written here. And no technique will be known. Nowadays, even Agnihotra techniques are fleeing away from the world. Nobody is even doing Agnihotra. Actually getting up in the morning, taking the wood and taking all the spices, herbs, and also the cow dung patties, taking that and burning it and taking the fumes, which is scientifically also proved good. None of the techniques are being followed by our so-called Indians nowadays. Then, because of all of this happening, the Lord will incarnate himself as Kalki, coming on a white horse, exactly in Nepal, which is the only country which is still kind of like Hindu country. So, he will incarnate there, exactly in Nepal, as there is a shloka here, we read it out, which gives the exact prediction of when he will come. Vishnurnuvirya gananam padamorhathiha yah parthavani apikarir dhimamena jamsi chaskam bhaya swarahasa skhalata triprushtham yasmat trisamya sadana durukam kampyamanam. The meaning is, okay. यर्ह्यालयेष्वपि सतां न हरेः कथा स्युः पाषाण्डिनो धीरजना वृषलामृदेवाः स्वाहा स्वधा वषडिति स्म गिरो न यत्र स्वाहा स्वधा vashat. These are the three mantras which I use. Om Ganeshaya Swaha, Om Ganeshaya Vashat, and Swatha. All of these mantras, none of the mantras are being practiced by these Brahmanas who are now just collecting money like hooligans here and there, going around, and half of them are practicing things even lower than animals do, even lower than pigs in fact. Half of them are quit their Brahmanic thing and they have started eating meat, onion, garlic. No, that is another thing. Everybody eats onion, garlic nowadays. So everything is degrading. The Shudras are saying Bhagavad Gita is a stupid scripture and they are going like this. The Brahmanas are just shouting at the Shudras and then creating conflicts, and the Vaishyas are simply collecting money. Brahmanas also collecting money, Shudras also. Nobody is having that cultural and that particular differentiation nowadays. Caste system was not created for the like high and low, for one to dominate over the other. It was just for work. Like Shudras, they are born, they like to in fact do those low work.
Yeah.
They want to clear, they want to do all of that low work. The Vaishyas, they want to collect money and they want to build houses and donate to the Brahmanas. The Brahmanas want to chant mantras for the welfare of the country and also provide certain advice for the kings. All Brahmanas were given this thing. But nowadays, see, all the Shudras are giving advice to the hooligan kings who are then destroy the earth, as you see, Siddharamaya and then so many other people. And then, yeah, it's totally changed. So that's why now Kalki will come is what they are saying. 4,28,000 years from now.